Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-Pack Screen Protector Plus 3-Pack Camera Lens Protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Bitcoin Bulletin. I'm your host today, and we're taking a deep dive into the story of Kentucky's Bitcoin boom that went bust. Kentucky was once home to over 20% of the collective computing power dedicated to proof-of-work cryptocurrency mining in the U.S. The industry brought in millions of dollars in revenue, but it also raised concerns about energy consumption, water usage, and environmental impact. In 2021, the town of Campton became a hotspot for crypto mining operations, with specialized computers racing to solve complex math problems, competing to verify Bitcoin transactions, and earn digital currency as a reward. The local government welcomed the industry with open arms, offering incentives like tax breaks and low-interest loans. But behind the scenes, some miners were taking advantage of lax regulations to exploit their hosts. Anna Weitz, a lawyer who represented crypto mining clients, alleges that these operators would construct on someone else's land or pay a host company to provide the physical plant. They'd pay the down payment or convince the landowner to pay it, and then disappear after a few months. In early 2022, Mohawk Energy launched a major crypto mining project in Jenkins, Kentucky. The project promised to employ retired coal miners and disabled veterans, train them on digital skills, and even put some of the mining proceeds into the training program. For a time, it worked. 28 families saw real gains, but when we asked about things now, Anna Weitz said most are unemployed again. The unraveling came quickly, with the Chinese partner suing for breach of contract and Mohawk countersuing. The shared crypto profits never materialized, leaving many locals feeling let down. As some residents have soured on Bitcoin mining, they're now speaking about AI data centers in a similar way, with cautious hope. AI data centers demand staggering amounts of energy, running hot and consuming billions of gallons of water every year. Residents are wary because they've had problems with facilities and their runoff in the past, worried these new facilities could affect fish and disrupt the land. But some locals see potential, even progress. Wes Hamilton, a local entrepreneur, believes AI is in everything we do, from Siri to robotics. He says Bitcoin is a one-trick pony, while data centers bring in investors, engineers, and companies willing to stay. Kentucky Governor Andy Beshear recently signed a Bitcoin rights bill into law, aimed at ensuring the right to use digital assets in Kentucky. The legislation signals that, in Kentucky, digital extraction can keep humming. The question now is whether Bitcoin mining gets a second wind in Kentucky. Will we see a new era of innovation and growth, or will the industry continue to falter? Only time will tell. That's all for today's Bitcoin Bulletin.